Writing a medical research paper may seem daunting, but breaking it down into clear steps makes it manageable. First, choose a focused research question that addresses a gap in existing knowledge. This guides your study and keeps the paper relevant. Next, follow the classic IMRaD structure: introduction, methods, results, and discussion, which provides a logical flow for presenting your research. In the introduction, explain why the study is important and what you aim to achieve. The methods section should describe your study design and procedures clearly so others can replicate your work. When writing results, present your findings objectively using tables or graphs and avoid interpretation here. Finally, in the discussion, interpret your results, compare with previous studies, and highlight limitations. Remember to draft a concise abstract summarizing all these sections. Writing multiple drafts, seeking feedback, and proofreading thoroughly help improve clarity and quality. Starting early and planning your work will reduce stress and improve your chances of publication success.